Let's start first with divisibility by 3. But first, let's review the rule.
The quick way to tell if a big number is divisible by 3 is to add up all the digits and see if their sum is divisible by 3. In the example, we're looking at 375. Is 375 divisible by 3? Let's add up those digits.
3 plus 7 plus 5 is 15. If 15 is divisible by 3, then your whole number, 375, is divisible by 3. So find the sum of the digits. If that number is divisible by 3, the whole number is. So we'll start with the 3's over here. And the easiest way to do that is to go along and add up the digits. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 is 9. Write it down. If it's divisible by 3, then we'll circle the whole thing. Hello, Amber. 6 plus 1, 7. It's a good idea to go ahead and just write down the sum. That way, if you get any wrong, you can go back and check more easily. 7 plus 4 plus 5, that would be 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. This one's good. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 3, and that is divisible by 3. That was a good one. Amber, you are really wanting to be a part of this. Keep going. There you go, sweet one. So 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. Now, we're going to take these same numbers and work with these same numbers again over here with the divisibility by 6 rule. If you remember, the rule for divisibility by 6 is if it's divisible by 2 and 3. So we can go ahead and use what we did over here with our 3's. So the numbers divisible by 3 are 432. Is this divisible by 2? Yes, it ends with a 2, so that one is divisible by 6. It's divisible by both 3 and 2. So can't be this, can't be this. 3,000. So that's divisible by 3. Is 3,000 an even number? Yes, because it ends with a 0. So 3,000 is also divisible by 6. Now 51. 51 is divisible by 3. Is it an even number? Well, it ends with a 1, so it is not an even number. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. So these two numbers are divisible by 6 because they are divisible by 3 and they're even numbers, or divisible by 2. So there you go. Do the bottom the same way. It's easy since the numbers are the same. Just decide which of these are divisible by 3. And then of those numbers, the ones that are also divisible by 2 are therefore divisible by 6. Next page. Turn it over. Is it divisible by 6? Now you get to do the whole thing by yourself in one set. So let's first total up the sums. 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 would be 19. I'm just going to go through and write the sums. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 7, that would be 16. 4 plus 4 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, 7, 8, that's 8. 3, let's see, 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Okay, so of these, which ones are divisible by 3? This is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 3, and not divisible by 3. These two numbers are divisible by 3. Now let's see if they're even. So 300, is this an even number? It ends with a 0, so yes it is. So it is divisible by 3 and it's even. So it is divisible by 6. This is divisible by 3 and it's also even. So it is divisible by 6. There you go, top half. Now divisibility by 9, that's the same rule as with 3. However, when you add up the digits, we'll go back to 375. If we want to find out if 375 is divisible by 9, we would add up the digits, 3 plus 7 plus 5. That makes, 12, 34, 15. So then 15, is 15 divisible by 9? Nope. Since 15 is not divisible by 9, then this whole number is not divisible by 9. So let's go through these together, and we'll go through really quickly and write just the sums. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 3 is 14 plus 4 is 18. 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 5 is 18. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, so let's go back and see. Divisibility by 9. Is the sum of 9, is that divisible by 9? Yes. Does 9 go into 4? No. 18. 9 goes into 18 2 times. Yes. Does 9 go into 18? Well, yeah. 8. 9 does not go into 8. 9 does go into 9. 9 does not go into 6. So these are the numbers that are divisible by 9 because when you add up their digits, 9 goes into that sum. Now do the rest.